We got a great trade in Lulu in first 30-40 minutes. How do you know that something is going to bounce or something is going to fade? You have to plan. You have to review the daily charts. Lulu beats the EPS, reports revenue in line, but the guidance was a little lower, so it was gapping down huge. Lulu is at 5-year lows. It's extended to the downside. Watch the amateur move, plus trend move. Only curl if we hold the pre-market lows plus 10 a.m. Neutral curl bias. I was expecting it to curl and give us a trade. This is our Ripster clouds. When you see this candle pushing, you risk this, stops, and you buy it. So I told the traders 512 long versus 164. The target I gave right away was 170, 172s. We pushed into the 172s in next 20 minutes. Then the next target was 176. We hit our 176 target on the point, and then we pulled back. We stopped out once it broke this clouds and we were out. Let's say you bought the lot options for $200 risk. They went 300%. You're risking $200, you're making $400. That's the kind of lot option trade we want to do. If you're taking lot options for $2, you're willing to lose that $200. But the Lulu, where my entry was at the 166, Lulu went all the way to 176. We almost a $10 per share profit on that, and I was risking $2. So even if you take 100 shares, you almost made $800 to $1,000, and you were risking $200. That's kind of the risk reward you do with the shares. But if I was in a lot of options, again, I just bought a lot option for $200. That went to $600. But the lot of options will lose their value on the same day. By the time they come back, they lose all their value. Beautiful win for us. That's how the traders were so green in the community today. Repeatable setup. Repeat for your life. Already the traders had locked so much percentage profit on Tesla that we didn't care the market sold off. That's the beauty of our system. And once the Tesla ran up to that level, we were already out before the Tesla was puking. So let's take a look at what was our plan on Tesla. Friday play. We always watch Tesla on Friday because the options can move. We must go to pay package. That's what the news was. Our support was 343, resistance was 350. 350 breakout long setup. No go under 341. As soon as the market opened, I told the traders to long right away at 9:30. 350 C calls were hitting on the flow, and right from that morning 350 breakout, we hit 355. That was my target. Remember, we always take a profit at 10 a.m. We saw a topping candle at 10 a.m. and the market dumped at 10 a.m. so we had to get out. You're trading those Tesla calls for $4. They went for $8. You need to know what options strike you are trading. Of course, the lot options will be super liquid, and those are the options that you need to get it on this breakout. And assuming 100% risk, you are making 100% return, and you want to get out at the 10 a.m. So next one we're going to look at is AVGO. AVGO is our top earning play. BCPS revenue in line, and that was not the big news. The big news was AVGO was saying they're going to make their own chips. It was a little extended in the pre-market. I told the traders watch the cloud pullback, cautious of the 512 breaks. As soon as I saw the red candle not pushing over the pre-market highs, I knew it's going to be a gap and crack short. So I told the trader if 350 breaks, short it. And 350 did break, and it went on to fade to 332. It faded for 18 bucks. The 345 puts went from $5 to $15. If you bought at $7 on 345 puts, you're $700 became $1,500. So that's how you trade lot options, my friend. Timestamp guidance, step by step. You have to respect the system. If I'm shorting here, I'm covering here, I'm risking $400 and making $200. That's not a good risk reward. You have to let the trade work. That's how you turn a $500 into $1,500 or $5,000 into $15,000. That's why 99% of people fail in day trading, because even after winning 70% of their trades, they don't let their winners run. But we do. I make sure my community does. That's the reason of the success we have in the community.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.